ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद Maitreyi Brahmana. In this, we saw the Khilya Bhava. Khilya Bhava Nivritti will take place when from the Shastra and Acharya Upadesha comes of Brahma Vidya. Then Khilya Bhava Hetu Bhuta Nivritya Khilya Bhava Nivrittihi. So that sense of limitation which will go away. Thereafter, even for Jivan Mukta, there is no Vishesha Sanya. Na tatra pretya sanya asti. What is the Vishesha Sanya? Aham asau, aham amushya putraha, mama idam dhanam kshetram, aham sukhi, aham dukhi. This vritti will not arise for a jnani. This vritti will be immediately badhita. Means in ourselves we should see this. This, if we can observe that I have studied Shastra, I have heard Tattvamasi Mahavakya, Aham Brahmasmi, I am doing so many things, chanting some shlokas, etc., etc. I am so and so, I am Purusha, Vishesha Sanya, Amushya Putraha, Mama Idam Dhanam Kshetram. All these vrittis, if they are arising without badha, that means jnanam is not taking place yet. What is the difference between vritti without badha and vritti with badha? Let us say if somebody says Jivan Mukta is eating and Ajnani is also eating. So Jivan Mukta's vritti will be badhita, that I am bhokta. And for Ajnani, I am bhokta, this is satya. This much we can say. This is basic. What is the main difference in this? For Ajnani, when he says this vritti is satyam, means I am satyam, the bhogya vastu is satyam, bhojana kriya is satyam. Therefore, bhoktritva is satyam. For jnani, it is badhita, means I am is badhita, bhogya vastu is badhita, bhoga kriya is badhita, therefore bhoktritva is badhita. So everything is mithya. This understanding should be there. This is number one. When this happens, corollary of this is any of these, if I lose, I am not bothered because they are mithya, their adhishthanam is satya. So for Ajnani, what is satyam, he cannot afford to lose it. For Jnani, what is Badhita, he can afford to lose it. So when Satyatva Buddhi is there, I want to hold on to Aham, I want to hold on to Mama, I want to hold on to everything that is there. I will not let go of any of this. Why? Because I have taken them as Satya. Satyatvena Jnanam has happened. When Mithyatvena Jnanam takes place, I can easily let go of those things because they are not there for me. I am the Adhishthanam in which they are just appearing. So casually people say, oh, for Ajnani, the vritti is satyam. For Jnani, it is Badhita vritti. Badhita vrittina vyavahar will happen. Vyavahar will happen. Badhita vritti, that shabda, Badhita, we should understand thoroughly. And we should practice it until it becomes a fact for us. So, for example, let's say we chant some shlokas, meditation shlokas. Chidananda Rupaha Shivoham Shivoham ityadi. Chanting of shloka is not as important as creating this vritti. And this vritti I should create when things are all going well, when my mind is most conducive. I am very happy, sit down for this vritti. Because when I am disturbed, this vritti is never going to come up. I am only going to be busy about all the things that are there around. But we think when mind is most conducive, let's enjoy the world. And when mind is disturbed, let's study the Shastra. So nothing is going to happen there. So this Vishesha Sanya is Badhita for Jnani. This is the point I am explaining. For a Jivan Mukta, even if he thinks I am Manushya, is a Badhita Vritya. So Manushyatva is Badhita, Aham is Ahankara is Badhita. If Aham itself is false, any association of anything with Aham is also going to be false. Whether it is of Manushyatva, Purushatva or Dhana, Kshetra, etc. or any accomplishments. I have done this, I have done that. I itself is wrong. So all of this is a result of knowledge. See, result of knowledge when we say Jivan Mukta Lakshana. So in the Shastra, in whether it is in Gita or Upanishad or Yoga Vasishtha or somewhere, Jivan Mukta Lakshanas will be the one who is Vitaraga Bhaya Krodha, the one who doesn't have Ichha Dvesha Ityadi. They will be put in those ways, those words, because we understand that easily. But this kind of what is happening at this subtle buddhi level, buddhi vritti level, that I have to understand only through analysis. Memorizing shloka or just general understanding is not going to tell me what is actually happening or what should happen. So actually meditation should be this mithyatva of ahankara, mithyatva of my bhogya padartha. So whatever activities I do, let us say I go to Gangaji every day. So I go to Ganga. Aham, Ganga, Gamanam, all of them are mithya. They are badhita. Like that, any vyavahara. That vyavahara with which I identify more, that I should put first as mithya. So like, let's say teaching. I am so much attached to teaching. So then I, student, this vyavahar of adhyapanam is also mithya. And therefore, by doing this, any sorrow entering through this activity is prevented. Mithyatva Nishchaya is for this, that from there sorrow will not come. Just as Mithya Sarpa cannot give you sorrow, like that. So he said, if for Jivan Mukta itself, Vishesha Sanya is not there, Kimu Vaktavyam Videha Muktasya, Karya Karana Vimuktasya. This Jnanam Yajnavalkya gave to his Bharya, Maitreyi. In other words, thereafter he should not even think this way, I am Sakshi, I am Kshetrajna, nothing. I am Brahma only. Now Maitreyi has a question. So see Tika on the next page. On the next page means 617. Uktam Paramartha Darshanam eva Vyakti Kartum Chodayati. Uktam Paramartha Darshanam eva Vyakti Kartum. So this Vyakti Kartum is put together. It can be separated also, like earlier once we saw in Tippani, it was separated, but here it is put together. How Vyakti Kartum Vyakti has become Dirgha?
Shvaucha.
Shvaucha is the Sutra. Chodayati. Evam Pratibodhita Saha Kila Uvacha Uktavati Maitreyi. Evam Pratibodhita. In this way, when instructed, taught, that Maitreyi Uvacha mantra. Sahovacha Maitreyi Atraiva ma Bhagavan Amumuhan Na Pratyasanya Stiti Sahovacha Yagnya Valkyo Nava Are Aham Moham Bravim Yalam Va Ara Idam Vijnanaya. Sahovacha Maitreyi. That Maitreyi who was taught in this way, she said, you are confusing me. Atraiva ma Bhagavan Amumuhan. Amumuhan, what is the dhatu?
Mohda.
You have to give the meaning only also. Just moha dhatu is not enough. You don't know that. Moha vaichitye. Moha vaichitye. And this is Nijanta Rupa Kartari Lung. Amumuhan. So Amumuhat will be the Rupa. Amumuhat. Pratham Purusha Ekvachan. Why Pratham Purusha? Why not Uttam Purusha? So Bhagavan. So she's addressing him as Bhagavan. That's why Pratham Purusha, not as Tvam. Amumuhan. Na Pratya Sangya. You said there is no Sangya after departure. It's a confusing statement. Why confusing? We will see in Bhashya. Na Sangya Asti. Iti Yajnavalkya ji says, Sahovacha Yajnavalkyo. Navare aham moham bravimi. I am not confusing you. And then he says, Alam vare idam vijnaya. This is enough. He also stopped teaching after this. Alam va are idam vijnaya. See now. भाष्य अत्रैव तस्मिन् एव, it is given. You have to make it atraiva etasmin eva. So vakar will get two matra and you connect with takar. So atraivai tasmin eva ekasmin vastuni brahmani viruddha dharmavatvam achakshānena bhagavata mama moha kritaha tadana. In one thing, if there is viruddha dharmatva, then it is confusing. There is moha, like about let's say rajju sarpa. Rajju is sthira and sarpa is moving. So viruddha dharma is there. So then I get confused whether it is rajju or sarpa. In the same way, in Brahma there is viruddha dharmatvam. What is the viruddha dharmatvam? In Bhashya continue, atraiva ma bhagavan pujavan amuhan moham kritavan. Amumuhat moham kritavan. Bhagavan pujavan. You are worthy of puja, worship. But see, instead of saying, I am getting confused, she said, you are confusing me. And that's why I think after this mantra, I said, teaching is over. There is no more need of teaching. This is enough. This much is enough, he said. Alam va are idam vijnanaya. So at least we should know when we are in front of teacher what not to say. No, I'm just joking. Huh? This may not be the case. That might be a usual prayoga for Pati Patni, they can do that kind of prayoga. You are confusing me. But Guru Shishya, that bhava should not be there. That you are confusing us. No, I am getting confused. Tika. Tena yajnavalkyena iti yavat. Iti vadata viruddha dharmavatvam uktam iti shesha. By this, Yajnavalkya viruddha dharmavatvam is said. What is the viruddha dharmavatva? He will explain later. I think it is given, otherwise I'll explain. Evam vadane api kurto viruddha dharmavatva uktihi. Okay, but what is the viruddha dharmavatvam? See there in Bhashya. Katham tena viruddha dharmavatvam uktam iti uchyate. How there is viruddha dharmavatvam is said now. Purvam vijnana ghana eva pratignyaya. Punar na pretya sanya asti iti. First you said it is vijnana ghana. Now you say pretya sanya na asti. What is virodha? Vijnana ghana means vijnana matra is there. Other than vijnanam, nothing is there. So then pretya vijnanam should remain. How there is no sanya? That is the question. Katham vijnana ghana eva katham va na pretya sanya asti. How it is vijnana ghana eva and then pretya sanya na asti. It is like nahi ushnaha shitasya agnihi eva eko bhavati. That one agni shita also and ushna also. Tika. Ekasyeva vijnana ghanatve sanya rahityatya kuto virodhati. Okay, if it is vijnana ghana also and no sanya also, so where is virodha? Iti ashankya hai nahi ushnaha shitasya agnireva eko bhavati. One agni cannot be ushna also and shita also. Tika. Virodhi buddhi, virodha buddhi phalam aha. So because of this virodha buddhi, what has happened? Ato mudha asmi atra. Therefore, in this regard, I am confused. Mudha asmi. Atra iti ukta vishaya paramarshaha. Atra asmin vishaye. In this vishaya, I am confused. Sahovacha Yagnevalkyo. Yagnevalkya ji said, Navare Maitreyi aham moham bravimi. Mohanam vakyam na bravimi ityartha. Nava iti pratikam grihitva vyakaroti. Nava is pratika. Are is the vakya. And it is also there, but he puts it in the vakya form. It is also there in the mantra. Are Maitreyi aham moham na bravimi. Mohanam vakyam bravitu eva bhavan iti shanga. He said, no, you are confusing. Mohanam vakyam. You are telling things which are confusing. How? So you understood the doubt. Because that which is Vijnana Ghana is all Vijnana. And that which was earlier said as Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam. In other words, it is there all the time. And now you are saying Pratyah Sanya na asti. When it goes from here, then there is no Sanya. So she thinks it is confusing. Yagnevalkya ji said, no, it is not confusing. It is so clear. How it is clear? So where is the confusion? Where is the moha? So what is...
When it is told Vijnana Gana is referring to a chit. But when it is referred to as Na Pretya Sangya, then with Upadhi.
With Upadhi means the Upadhi, when it is gone, then that Chidabhasa doesn't have any, all the Sanyas are for Chidabhasa. Aham Manusha, Aham Purusha, that Chidabhasa claims all this. That Chidabhasa is gone. So Kutastha Chaitanya remains. Chidabhasa, if you say Pretya means having departed from here, so then Chidabhasa is not existing. And if you say Pretya means only Jivan Mukti, then also Upadhi Sambandha is not there. Therefore, that Chidabhasa which was claiming Mama Annamaya Kosha Pranamaya Manomaya Ityadi, that Chidabhasa is lost. Shuddha Chaitanya is not gone. So if you want to make a clear split, Yagnevalkya ji said, hereafter, after the knowledge from Shastra and Acharya, having gained Brahma Vidya, Chidabhasa, which is the Vishesha Sanya, where Aham Amushya Putraha, ityadi, whatever he says, that entity is gone. The one who was claiming. Brahma will remain. She thought Brahma has gone. So she says, you are confusing. But he says, no, Ahankara is gone, you say, or Chidabhasa is gone. Because it was Abhasa is gone. So in the language of Yoga, Upadesha Sahasri, that what we are doing, this Tattvamasi Prakarana, Chidabhasa has disappeared. I think he gave that example earlier. Two examples he gave. The Jala Pratibimba and
Chandram.
the other example, Spatika and Alaktaka. Spatika, Alaktaka. So when Alaktaka is removed, Spatika remains. The lalima, the redness which was appearing, that is gone. So, etebhya bhutebhya samuthaya, in that the nasha is of this nimitta, because of which sense of kilya bhava was coming. Bhashya. Nanu katham viruddha dharmatvam avocho vijnana ganam sanya bhavam cha. Viruddha dharmatvam, why you are saying avochaha, vijnana ghana also and sanya abhav also. Na maya idam ekasmin dharmini abhihitam. Yajnavalkya says, I did not say both of them are in the same. That which is Vijnana Gana, that doesn't have Sanya Bhava. Vijnana Gana is Brahma. Sanya Bhava is Chidabhasa. They are two different things. So both are thought of as Aham. I am Brahma also. I am this Chidabhasa also. Or Sabhasa Antakaranam for simplicity. So that Sabhasa Antakarana will not have Sanya after Jnanam. Imagine, be ready if you really want Jnanam or not. Why? Because after Jnanam, Sabhasa Antakarana will not have Sanya. So do you want to remain as Sabhasa Antakaranam or you want to be Vijnana Gana? If you want to be Vijnana Gana, then you have to let go of Sabhasa Antakarana. Means I have to practice that all the time. If somebody says something or I feel something happens to this Sabhasa Antakarana, I have to tell, this is not me. Because its Sanya has to go. So Acharya will give you some scolding. It is only for the Pratyaya Sanya to go, this Khilya Bhava Sanya, so that I can claim I am Brahma. No, I don't want to let go of my sense of limitation. Not in this Janma, maybe next Janma. Okay, very good. Tika. Katham tarhi mama ekasminneva. So he did samadhanam. Who did samadhatya kaha?
Yajnavalkya.
What is samadhanam? Na maya idam ekasmin dharmini abhihitam. Then she says, Katham tarhi mama ekasminneva vastuni viruddha dharmavatva buddhihi. Then how did I get in one vastu alone viruddha dharmavatva buddhi? So he says, Tvaya eva idam viruddha dharmatvam dharmatvena ekam vastu parigrihitam bhrantya natu maya uktam. Tvaya eva idam viruddha dharmatvena ekam vastu parigrihitam bhrantya. By you, this confusion you have taken up. I have not said like this. But many times these students have this. No, you said. Teacher might have said something. They will put their thoughts in teacher's mouth. You said this. You are thinking all the time of this. This is not what I meant or this is not what I said. But when mind is bhranta, then bhrantya parigrihitam. Natu maya uktam. Tvaya tarhi kim uktam. Like there is a dialogue. Huh? So then, what did you say then if you didn't confuse me? So he says, Mayatu idam uktam. This is what I said. Yastu avidya pratyupasthapitah karyakarana sambandhi atmanah khilya bhavaha tasmin विद्यया नाशिते तन्निमित्ता या विशेष संज्ञा शरीरादि संबंधिनी अन्यत्व दर्शन लक्षणा सा कार्यकरण संघात उपाधौ प्रविलापिते नश्यति हेतु अभावात् उदकादि आधार नाशादिव चंद्रादि प्रतिबिंबः तन्निमित्तश्च प्रकाशादिः. This is what I said. So it is simple now. Avidya pratyupasthapita is karyakarana sambandha with Atma. Karyakarana sambandhi Atmanah khilya bhava. Atma will have khilya bhava. Sense of limitation. Parichinnatva. Tasmin vidya nashite sati. Then when it is destroyed by jnanam, parichinnatva goes away. Then tan nimitta ya vishesha sanya. All the vishesha sanya. Shariradi sambandhini. I am so and so, this is my name, this all is everything has to be badita. Shariradi sambandhini anyatva darshana lakshana. Anyatva darshana, that sharira is not me, but that bheda jnana does not remain, and I take myself as something else. That is the anyatva darshana lakshana. Anyatva darshanam is happening. Atmatva darshanam is not happening. Anyatva darshanam. Yushmat pratyaya gochara vastu I am taking as asmat pratyaya gochara vastu. You know what happens? This aside point, huh? Just interesting. When there is a student who has thoroughly studied Brahma Sutra, and in particular Adhyasa Bhashya, when that student will study Lagu and Yushmad Asmat Shabda will come, in his buddhi what will come? Not Yushmad Asmat Shabda, Atma Anatma only. Then that person will not think what Adesha will come to Yushmad, what Adesha will come to Asmat. In his buddhi, this is Atma, this is Anatma, only that goes on. And because of Adhyasa, something has happened. But not many people can understand what is in his mind. Because all the other people will be this Adesha, that Adesha, this Sutra, that. Is it different? Bhutebhya, Bhuta is the Hetu. Hetu abhavat. So etebhya bhutebhya samuthaya. It had come from those as the Hetu. So the Hetu is gone. So nimitta paye
नैमित्तिका
Naimittika.
naimittika bhavaha. Pravilapite nashyati hetu abhavat. Udakadi adhara nashadiva, like Udaka is not there. Where will Chandra Pratibimba come? Nowhere. Chandra Pratibimba, and then Tan Nimittasya Prakasha, because that Jala was giving Prakash also. That also will go. Tika. Khilya Bhavasya Vinashe Pratyagatma Swarupam eva Vinashyati iti Ashankya. Khilya Bhava Nasha, when it happens, Pratyagatma Swarupam eva Vinashyati. This is the question by Maitreyi. She thinks if Khilya Bhava is gone, then who am I? This is why I said Chidabhasa or Sabhasa Antakkara. this viveka between Atma and Sabhasa Antakarana, that they are two different entities. And the purpose of Vedanta is to show Atma and negate Sabhasa Antakarana. But when this viveka is not clear, and I think Aham is one. So when it was said Pratyasanya Nasti, so somebody thinks there is no Aham. So then, who am I? खिल्य भावस्य विनाशे प्रत्यगात्म स्वरूपमेव विनश्यति, she thinks. इति आशंकाः न पुनः इन भाष्य परमार्थ चंद्रादित्य स्वरूप अनाशवत् संसारी ब्रह्म स्वरूपस्य नाशः. परमार्थ चंद्र और आदित्य, their नाश is not there. स्वरूप अनाशवत्, like that asamsari brahma swarupa nasha is not there. Nasha is of this chidabhasa which is appearing in antakarana. Antakarana nashat chidabhasa nasha. ब्रह्म स्वरूपस्य अनाशे विज्ञान घनस्य किम आयातम. Okay, Brahma is not destroyed. But what about Vijnana Ghana? Brahma is Vijnana Ghana. Tad Vijnana Ghana iti uktam. Tad Brahma eva Vijnana Ghana. 10 number tippani Brahma. Brahma itself is Vijnana Ghana iti uktam. Sa Atma सर्वस्य जगतः परमार्थतो भूतनाशात् न विनाशे. It is the Atma of this entire Jagat. Paramarthatah Bhutanashat na Vinash. So when Bhutanasha takes place, earlier once the Bhuta Shabda was given as Paramartha. Huh? You remember?
Yes, Swamiji.
But here it is not taken that way. Huh? Here Bhuta means Mahabhuta or Karya Karana Vishaya ityadi. Saha Atma Sarvasya Jagataha. This Atma Vijnana Ghana is Atma of the entire world. Paramarthato Bhutanashat na Vinashi. ठीक है. खिल्य भावस्य अविद्या कृतत्वे प्रमाणम आह. Now somebody says, okay, avidya will go through vidya, but how do you prove khilya bhava will go? You say khilya bhava is avidya karyam, therefore karana nasha karya nasha. So we have to prove khilya bhava is avidya karyam. See in bhashya, vinashi tu avidya krita khilya bhavo vacharambanam vikaro namadeyam iti shrutyantarat. Khilya bhava is avidya krita, avidya karya. Why? Because it has nasha. According to Shruti, there is nasha. Therefore, it has to be something which is vacharambanam. Therefore, it is avidya karya. Vacharambanam iti. Khilva bhava, khilya bhava it should be. In tika, khilya bhavavat pratyagatmanopi vinashitvam syat iti chet. Again, Maitreya ji has the same doubt. Okay, khilya bhava will go, pratyagatma also might go. So khilya bhavavat pratyagatmanopi vinashitvam syat iti chet netyaha. अयं तु पारमार्थिको अविनाशी वा अरे अयम आत्मा. No, this is पारमार्थिक, is अविनाशी वा अरे अयम आत्मा. पारमार्थिकत्वे प्रमाणम आह. Why पारमार्थिक? Because it is अविनाशी. अविनाशित्व फलम आह. अविनाशित्व फलम is अतो अलम पर्याप्तं वा अरे इदं महद् भूतम् अनंतम अपारम यथा व्याख्यातम विज्ञानाय विज्ञातुम. And therefore it is alam paryaptam va are idam mahadbhutam anantam aparam. This is endless, shoreless, etc. Yatha vyakyatam, as we elaborated. Vijnanaya vijnatum. For this vijnana, this is alam. This much is paryaptam. टीका पर्याप्तं विज्ञातुम इति संबंधः. इदम इत्यादि पदानां गतार्थत्वात् अव्याख्येयत्वं सूचयति. पर्याप्तं फॉर नोइंग, दिस मच इज इनफ. नाउ इट सेज इदम इत्यादि पदानां गतार्थत्वात् अव्याख्येयत्वं सूचयति. इदम महद्भूतम एक्सेट्रा, दे आर यथा व्याख्यातम विज्ञानाय विज्ञातम. Again, we don't have to do any explanation. They were already explained earlier. विज्ञान घन एव इति अत्र वाक्य शेषम प्रमाणयति. This is विज्ञान घन. In that वाक्य शेष is given. नहि विज्ञातोर विज्ञातेर विपरिलोपो विद्यते विनाशित्वात् इति ही पक्ष्यति. श्रुति will say later, नहि विज्ञातोर विज्ञातेर विपरिलोपो विद्यते. Why? अविनाशित्वात्. विज्ञाता की विज्ञाति का विपरिलोप नहीं होता क्योंकि वह अविनाशी है. This will be said later with a famous quotation. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.